Right, let's look for some Ryobi batteries. Yeah, I'm not paying any of that. Let's go to Amazon. See what we can get here. Much better. Hey YouTube, today I'll be talking about the Shgeen battery and seeing if it's worth your money. The battery is a third-party replacement for the Ryobi 18-volt lineup. The battery can be bought on Amazon for $65, and for that $65 you get two 6.5 amp hour batteries and a 1-year warranty. Ryobi sells a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries for $198, and you get a 3-year warranty. I will be doing a runtime test and a comparison to a Ryobi 2 amp hour battery. Make sure you watch to the end to see the surprising results. Before we get into my thoughts about this battery, I will be giving two $20 gift cards away at 500 subscribers. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Just want to show you real quick that this is a fully charged, as you can see. This is a 2 amp hour battery, so in theory this should last a third of the time of this before we get into the breakdown. A little bit under because it's a 2.5 amp hour. Right, with that, let's get this going. After testing both batteries, the Shgeen does seem to meet the 6.5 hour claim, running about 3 times longer than the Ryobi 2 amp hour battery. But this doesn't mean you should buy it. The Shgeen seems to be cheaply made, but I guess that's a trade-off of buying a battery at a fourth the cost. Honestly, I didn't think it would last the 6.5 hour claim, but from the testing I did, it seems to be about right. I don't think I'll be buying any more of these until I use them a lot longer. A lot of the negative reviews on Amazon talk about it dying in a couple of months and the warranty being worthless. So if you're willing to take the risk, these batteries may be for you. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. It's free for you and it helps my channel out. Thank you.